Hello, my name is Rose and welcome to Family DIYs. We are going to be making chocolate covered strawberries. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. This is a fun activity to do with your children. We have some white chocolate wafers, milk chocolate wafers, some sprinkles, strawberries, a bowl. We're going to melt some of the chocolate in the microwave and I'll show you what to do with this. This is cupcake liners and a tissue and a box to put your strawberries in. My daughter washed the strawberries and now we're going to dry them. Just check for ones that are a little bit damaged. This one here has a little brown spot. We might just cut that off and use it, but we have lots to use. This is 30 seconds. This is another 30 seconds. I think this is almost ready.
I think it is. You just have to mix it in a bit more.
Do you want to try for another maybe 15 seconds?
I think it's good. I think the little chunks will just melt because like the chocolate's really hot.
Hold the leaves and just dip into the chocolate. Simple as that. And put it into the cupcake right away. Lay it down sideways. So I'll do the next one. I'm going to try to go like this here. So this is a lot of chocolate. You just put it into your cupcake and put it on the side. So you gotta kind of do this quick before the chocolate all comes hard again. So I'll let you go ahead, Alicia. This is 30 seconds. So this is warm, so we just need to cut the tip very small. Very small, smaller. Oh. Okay, just so see if it goes like this. See, that's all you really want. Okay, so let's go to our section. I'll do the first one. I just kind of go back and forth here. Here. So I'm going to zoom in on your hand, Alicia. Perfect. That big one right there. Perfect. So we're gonna do the rest. So it doesn't have to be perfect. And again, this is a fun activity with your children. And it's gonna taste delicious. There, that one's nice.
I'll do half and you can do the other half.
Okay. And keep in mind, you have to kind of do it right away because it's hot and it's all melted. There. You can use sprinkles if you like. We'll just try some on a few. We'll do it on the little ones here, a little couple of them here. There. I'll let you go ahead. While it's still hot. There, that should be good. So we're gonna make a little box and some tissue paper. So this is a great little gift for your family member or your mom and dad, or just a little treat in the house. We just put it in a cute little box that we got from the dollar store, and my kids can't wait to actually eat this. This is really fast, so this only took like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you just go ahead and eat it. You don't need to do anything special, and again, it's a fun activity with your family, and you just go ahead and eat it. That's delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you.